Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys an alternative messaging app similar to WhatsApp called Signals and want to run you through the basic setup of it. Signal is an encrypted app that lets you send messages and make calls via the internet. It supports group chats and group video calls just like WhatsApp. Signal is an open source and its code is peer reviewed, which means that its privacy and security is regularly checked by independent experts. It's available on iPhones and Android phones. So let's go over to the App Store and download the Signal app. It should look like this. Once downloaded, let's go ahead and open it. So let me run you through the setup of this app. Press continue. Now tap on enable permission so you allow notifications from the app. The app will then ask you to access your contacts, so go ahead and press OK. Another notification prompt will appear, so go ahead and press allow again. Now the app will use your phone number in order to create an account on the Signal system. So go ahead and enter in your phone number and press next. Then it'll ask you to verify the setup using the code it sends you via the text message, so enter that. Now on the next screen, enter in your details like your first name and last name. First name is required but last name is optional. Then press save. Now since Signal is an encrypted app, it'll ask you to create a PIN, so create one. PIN will be used to keep your data encrypted, and since you know the PIN, that means you're the only one who can access it. Type it in twice and set it up. Now you're nearly done. A prompt will appear where Signal will ask you if you want to find and connect two devices on your local network. This is a new feature in iOS 14, so you can either press don't allow, or if you're okay with that, then press OK. Now you have finally set up the Signal app on your phone. Next, we'll look at adding your friends or family members to your contact list. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right. Since you've given access to your contacts, Signal app will detect and display only contacts that have a Signal account. So as an example, I have a test account set up, so I'll tap on it. Now I can begin chatting with this contact just like in iMessage or WhatsApp. I can send photos to the contact by taking a picture. It even allows me to edit the picture so you can add text, lines, blur the faces and crop. Now this is something new where it keeps the photos separate to your phone photo gallery. It stores your sent or received photos in an encrypted database and it is protected by your PIN. This photo never leaves unless you explicitly save the media using the save button at the top right. Just like iMessage and WhatsApp, the app gives you a typing indicator and read receipt by showing you the two ticks. You can do voice calls and video calls by tapping on the icons at the top right. Now let's go back to the main page and let's look at the basic setup of this app and then tapping on your profile image. This is the setting page for your Signal account. Let's tap on your profile name at the top. Here you'll be able to add your profile image and edit your first or your last name. Here you can invite your friends who are not on the Signal app by messaging them or by email. You can change the appearance of the app on this page, so you can enable the dark mode or leave it as default. Now in the privacy settings, there are several settings you can change. You can change the read received, typing indicator, link previews in chat, access the block list, and many other settings, which I'll discuss in my future videos. Here you can change your notification settings such as message sound or if you want to show notification or not. On this page, link devices, you can open your Signal app account on a desktop or a MacBook or an iPad and use the messaging service. In advance, you have more settings which you can look at like debug log, push notification, censorship, circumvention, your PIN settings, and lastly you can delete your account from here. And the rest is help, about Signal, and if you want to support the Signal app, then you can donate some money here. And there you go, that is a small guide on how to use the Signal app on your mobile phone. Signal app has been making headlines this week due to changes in WhatsApp. So by using the Signal app, your data is saved and encrypted so no one can access it. Hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions about this app, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.